I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt cake at home easy method. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees C and greasing an 8-inch pan, then whisk 2 eggs with 200 g sugar until pale. Stir in 250 g plain yogurt and 80 ml neutral oil, then fold in 300 g flour with 10 g baking powder. Mix until just combined, pour into the pan, and bake for about 35 minutes. When mixing, be gentle and steady to keep the cake tender and moist. Use a scale for accuracy and bring eggs and yogurt to room temperature so they combine smoothly. Whisk eggs and sugar until slightly thickened, then add yogurt and oil in a slow stream. Fold the dry ingredients with a spatula until the batter is just uniform, leaving a few small streaks to avoid overworking the gluten. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks and recipes anywhere, whether in the kitchen or on the couch, and it pairs nicely with a cozy baking session. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the cake on the middle rack and check for doneness with a toothpick. Aim for a few moist crumbs rather than completely dry. Let the cake rest in the pan for about 10 minutes to set, then transfer to a wire rack to cool fully so steam escapes. Finish with a simple lemon glaze or sifted powdered sugar for a lovely touch, and slice with a serrated knife for clean pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.